It looks like Roz has found a friend. Hey, Roz! I think you got a friend. You got a new fan. Get him. Get him, Max. You show that dog. Rosie? What is that dog doing? Get him. Conk. Whoop. It's a face off. Uh-oh. Get him, Max. Get him. Oh. The wrapping paper bin is much more exciting all of a sudden. No. Yuck. No. And so begins a beautiful friendship.